Thank you very much, Lindaltami. Now, switching of things, now I'm next to the Mbabane Highlanders coach, Mthunzi Ginindza. We just want to get a better picture of what the lineup is today. What's the expectation? Remember, they've played 4 games, they have won only 1 game, and of course, the stakes are high. Coach Mthunzi, sicela ukuvusela namhlanje Mbaba coach.
Yebo kunjani mfowethu.
Sikuvusele coach, ngiva ngathi umoya phasi. Is everything okay? Just to give us the
No, everything is okay. Our team is okay. Ngivusele komakebhula. Ngivusele Highlander yonke nabathandi belibhola bonke.
Okay.
The team is there.
Coach, maybe before we get into the lineup, let's talk about your absence. A couple of days, maybe whenever we do media briefing, we haven't seen you. The issues surrounding your presence in the team, have they been sorted? Can we say now clearly you are Mbabane Highlanders coach?
Angibonge ukucacisa kuloko. Umuntu akathathe lelithuba lokubonga ikakhulu baphathi be Rangers Football Club kanye nebaphathi beMbabane Highlanders. Labathi ekuhlala phansi bakhuluma ngalendzaba yekukhululeka kwami kusuka ku Rangers kuya kuMbabane Highlanders. As isikhuluma, everything is sorted. Now I'm just Mbabane Highlanders full coach.
Coach, okay, let's get into the game. 4 games, only 1 victory. I've seen your lineup, coach. The presence of some of the experienced players. Mbabane Debo, Fabrice Mopino Batsari, Kenneth Morotukona. What's your approach today? What are you bringing in the field? How do you get 3 points today?
Angibonge lokumnanzi ngebhola, football is practical. And we have got my players to senior players. Just for integration my players lamasha. As much as you now those couple of injuries, about 5 defenders, our strong defenders are out, and 1 midfielder is out, a forward is out. In total, we've got 8 players who are not part of the team today. But our main approach on the game, we want just to attack. Because for a team to get 3 points, they need to attack. So we'll do more attack with some transitionally play. Sikona ukuthi la khona sithola khona le bola, we need to mark. We will counter press and we will press so that it's khona ukuthi send a quick finishing.
All right. So, coach, time is against us. I know you have to talk to the players now. We'll talk to you after the full 90 minutes. Thank you very much, coach.
Thank you very much.
All right. That is coach, Mthunzi Ginindza of Mbabane Highlanders, just giving us an overview of what the game will be about today. And, he's saying that